you gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a fandabby daisy day. I'm Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms, and today I would like you to do a true unboxing with me of this little cutie. Now, before we get into the unboxing itself, I just want to say a couple of things about luxury in this current day and age. I have been feeling very weird about the whole luxury scene at the moment because, let's face it, it really doesn't matter. In the grand scheme of things, it really doesn't matter. And I wasn't making any plans to buy any luxury pieces or do any online shopping whatsoever, other than stuff maybe to, you know, keep the house patched together. But certainly nothing luxurious, no frippery. However, it was brought to my attention by my Instagram friend and fellow YouTuber Patricia's Beauty, who I will link in the description below. Go and check her out, she's really cute. That a particular item that I had my eye on for a couple of years and that we thought had been discontinued last year was available on the Louis Vuitton website. So I went and I had a look for it. I searched for it by description, couldn't find it. So I looked up on my spreadsheet, because I do have a spreadsheet where I keep my wish list and my current items and anything that I've sold, and just basically it's a tracker of my luxury pieces. So I looked on there because it was on my wish list, and I managed to get the SKU code, the M number, which I will put up on the screen for you and have in the description down below. And lo and behold, when I searched on that, it was there. Couldn't believe it. Add to cart. Did it. Spoke to husband. Said, should I be doing this? And he said, look, just go for it. Just go for it. Just get it. Stop faffing around. Someone else will buy it before you. So here it is. Gotta say, this bow looks like I tied it, but I think it just got a little bit squashed. Standard card. I've not even looked at the paperwork side of things, but I'll look at that later. If you enjoy my videos and my particular brand of ramblings, then please do give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and ring my bells. Hurrah! And as I said, this is a true unboxing. I've not been in here at all. It's been in the spare room for 2 days. It arrived a day early and I haven't had a sneaky peek or anything. Da-da. Oh, isn't it tiny? It is the Louis Vuitton. Come along. 4-ring key holder. Oh, isn't it slim and lovely? So this had been discontinued. It was discontinued last year. They told me it had been discontinued. It came off the website. So a quick once over care card, yeah, all of a sudden it showed up again. So I'm gonna have a proper look at it after this video. But I just want to have a quick once over just to, while you're here, while you're with me. Glazing looks okay. Doesn't seem to be anything dodgy on the canvas. The popper looks fine. It's got the 4 what's names, so that's good. Fantastic. Right. Discontinued. We thought it was discontinued. At the time, well, a couple of hours ago, before I started filming, I looked it up to check on a couple of the details, size and things like that, to share with you, and it was still showing as available. It was showing, once I'd bought this one, tail end of last week, it was showing as unavailable, but when I checked earlier today, it's showing as available. Now, the Louis Vuitton website, which is famous for having really obscure and quite often more than one set of measurements, says this is, reading from my notes, size-wise, it's 4.13 inches, which is 10.5 centimetres, by 2.17 inches, which is 5.5 centimetres, by 0.39 inches, which is 1 centimetre. Their measurements are all over the place, so I thought I'd bring out my little pink ruler and we can have a look at it together. So, except I can't see in this light. Okay, so that's 5.5, 10.5. They're actually doing it right. Well, hats off to you, Louis. You got it right on the website. The reason I wanted to go for the 4 key holder is because I currently only carry my car key and my house key. My house key is massive. It's ridiculously huge, and then the same as everyone else's car key. It's a chunky fob. Now currently, and for most of the last 16, 17 years since I've had them, I have been using this Louis Vuitton key holder, and it opens like that, and then you can slide your keys on and off like that. There you go. And this came in a set of 2. It came with a boy keyring and a girl keyring, and I had some friends who wanted matching boy keyrings, so they bought 2 sets and they gave me both of the girl keyrings, which was incredibly generous of them. And only a few months ago did the one that I had been using mostly for the last millions of years died. I think a little pin came out. So I have used a couple of other keyrings over the time, a couple of mulberries I had, but they tarnished up really quickly and they're quite bulky as well. So I wanted to save this one, which is still intact, maybe use it as a bag charm or something instead. I cannot find anything about this online. I've even tried looking up the references on the side of the box. They kept one box, they gave me this box. Can't find a single thing about it at all. It's driven me absolutely nuts trying to find it, and I can't find anything about a boy and girl couple set key holder thing for Louis Vuitton at all. It's almost like it never happened, or that it potentially happened early enough in the 2000s that the internet was still quite young and none of this information made it onto it. Like I said, my front door key is massive. I do want to start carrying my back door key as well, just in case I have any problems getting in on the front door of the house. I can hop over the fence and get in the back door of the house if there are any issues with, I don't know, the lock not working or something like that. At least I've got the option. I did want to start thinking about protecting the inside of my luxury handbags, because it's not something I'd really considered before. I would normally keep my keys either in my pocket or in my handbag, somewhere easy to find them, so they're kind of away from all the other bits and pieces. But to be honest, it was making me a little bit anxious, especially with my new Lulu puffer, which has got a beautiful full leather interior. So I wanted to get a proper key holder so they'd be nice and locked away with no chance of damaging the interior of my bags. Pretty standard. These have been around for a long time, the canvas ones anyway, whether the 4 is being discontinued or not. These have been around for a long time, so it's your standard monogram coated canvas with your cowhide treated leather trimmings and everything, glazing, popper stud, and obviously your 4 key holders. This one says it's made in France, if you can pick that up on the video. And I'm going to see if I can find the date code. Whoops, dropped it. You can see if I can find the date code easily, because I don't know where they are in here. I'd be intrigued to see if this is a newly produced piece, if it's coming back due to popular demand. There it is. No, that's not it. Where is it? I can't see it tucked away in there. Can't see it tucked away in there. Oh, I really can't make that out. Ooh, okay. CT3290. So it is a newly produced piece, relatively newly produced piece. Well, who'd have thought it? That's pretty much all I can tell you about it. What I am going to do is I'm going to now pop my house key and my car key in here. I don't think my car key is going to fit, but I might have it popping out the top. I've seen a few ladies doing that, just so they're both together. And then I will show you. Let's see, is that a defect? I will have a proper look at this. Oh no, I think it's just where that sits. Okay, I'm going to do that now. So fast forward. as I thought, it doesn't close. I can't snap it closed with my car key in there. I may have it like that, but then I don't like this sticking out, so I may just have to carry this separately. Here we go, I've got it closed up. I have got my car key in there. What I did was I popped it on this extra hoop, and then when I closed it and I slid it up, and that seemed to work. What I did notice as well while I was putting these in, I don't know if I like that though, it just seems a little bit meh. I'll have a play with it. What I did notice, what I failed to show you, was the lovely Louis Vuitton stamp at the top there. Very, very nice. So I am also pretty relieved, because my front door key is so massive, that it actually is about 1 millimetre away from the bottom of this. I was worried that this was going to poke out of the bottom there because it was so long, but it seems to be okay. So there you go, there you have it, my cute little 4-ring Louis Vuitton monogram key holder. I am now going to go back to not buying any luxury items. I just had to snap that up when I saw it was available, because as I've said several times, we thought it was discontinued because Louis Vuitton told us it was discontinued. If you want one of those, go and check out the website. I'll put the link in down below. Fingers crossed for you. If you want one, you can pick one up. Like I said, it was available a couple of hours before I started filming. I hope it's still available when this actually comes out. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, ring my bell, and I'll see you for the next one. In the meantime, stay safe, stay home, look after each other, be kind to each other, love each other, and bye.